Holy cow!
Oh my goodness.
Some may call this excess, but we just got finished with our art project over there. So now we got another artistic adventure going on here. Take a look at, see what we got here. Dead tree. We're gonna take care of this.
Shoot! It didn't all go. How can that do that? Holy cow!
Oh my goodness.
Success!
Hey, well that calls it a wrap for today. Take a look at this. This was where the tree was. Obviously it's laying here behind me. This was the trunk part. It was a rotten tree. So, hey, everybody, get outside. God bless, get outside.